Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Our lesson today is Let's Talk from Module 1. Our learning objectives for today are learn 6 phrases and words, compose sentences using future tense, be going to, as in, is, am, are, plus going to, plus verb base form. This lesson is in your student's book page 12 and in your workbook page 8. Let's start with the new words. Look at the picture. Where are the children? Great, they are in the museum. Now, who's with them? Yes, their teacher. And what are they doing there? Great, they are on a school trip. School trip. This word is a noun. Very good. Another word. Look at the pictures. Do you know who am I? Yes, I'm a place where you can learn about planets and stars. I start with P and end with M. It's a great planetarium. Planetarium. This word is a noun. Very good. Here is another one. Look at the pictures. Now, read the sentence. I like watching different shows at the Souk Waqif Spring. Great. Festival. Festival. This word is a noun. Very good. Now I want you to unscramble the following word to complete the sentence. Qatar National Sports Day is a family. Very good. Event. Event. This word is a noun. Great job. And now, look at the picture and read the sentence. Saleh wants to win the school racing. Great. Competition. Competition. This word is a noun. Very good. Here is our last word. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Fatima likes to in the spelling bee competition. Great. Take part. Take part. This word is a phrasal verb. Great job. And now let's go practice. Open your workbook page 8, exercise 1. In this exercise, you are going to read the sentences and complete them using words from the box. Number 1 is an example. Number 1. There's an art at the shopping center this weekend. Are you going to go? Yes, I am. My favorite artist is going to be there. Which word? Great. Event. It's your turn now. Pause and do the rest. Back again. Let's check your answers. Number 2, planetarium. Number 3, school trip. Number 4, take part. Number 5, competition. Number 6, festival. You guys are amazing. Open your student's book page 12, exercise 2. Complete your schedule and decide which event you would like to do on each day of the week. Back again. Let's take a look at my week's events. On Sunday, I'm going to go on a school trip to the planetarium. On Monday, I'm going to take part in recycling day, and so on. Now, how about you? Are you going to go on a school trip on Sunday? I want you now to read the following sentences and underline the time expressions. I'm going to do the first one as a model with you. Then you are going to do the rest. Number 1. We're going to play tonight. Underline the time expression. Great. Tonight. It's your turn now. Pause and do the rest. Back again. Let's check your answers. Number 2. At 6 o'clock. Number 3. In summer. Number 4. Next week. Number 5. Tomorrow. You did a great job. Now, here is another question for you. What do these time expressions indicate? Great! They indicate future. Let's recap. Why do you think we used the future be going to? Great! We used the future be going to express future plans and intentions with time expressions such as next week, month, Tuesday, today, tomorrow, and so on. Let's learn how to form different types of sentences using the future be going to. First, the affirmative form. Let's start with singular pronouns. We start with I and then the correct form of the verb be, which is am, and then going to, and after that the base form of the verb. For example, I'm going to go on a school trip tomorrow. Now let's continue with the pronouns he, she, and it. Now, what's the correct form of the verb be? Great! Is, and then going to, and after that the base form of the verb. For example, Latifa is going to go on a school trip tomorrow. Let's move now to the pronoun you. The correct form of the verb be here is are, and then going to, and after that the base form of the verb. For example, you are going to go on a school trip tomorrow. Now, let's move to plural pronouns. We have they, we, and you. The correct form of the verb be is are, and then going to, and then the base form of the verb. For example, Ahmed and Salim are going to go to school. Another example, we are going to go to school on Sunday. Practice time. Spot and correct the errors. The first one is an example. Number 1. Jana are going to go shopping tomorrow. Great! The error is are because Jana is singular, and as we said before, we add is after singular nouns or pronouns. The sentence becomes Jana is going to go shopping tomorrow. It's your turn now. Pause and do the rest. Back again. Let's check your answers. Number 2. They are going to taking part in the science fair. Very good. The error is taking because we have to use the base form of the verb after to. The sentence becomes they are going to take part in the science fair. Number 3. I'm going to visit my friend next Monday. Great! The error is go because we have to add ing to the verb go when it's preceded by helping verbs such as is, am, or are. The sentence becomes I'm going to visit my friend next Monday. Great job, everyone! Another type of sentences is the negative form. Let's try to form sentences using it. Read the following sentence. I'm going to read on Tuesday. We need to make it negative. Do you know how? Great! I'm not going to read on Tuesday. Another example. He's going to eat pizza tonight. Use not. The sentence becomes, he's not going to eat pizza tonight. One more example. We're going to play tomorrow. Use not. Great. We're not going to play tomorrow. So, what did we do? Great. We added not directly after be verbs, which are am, is, and are, and before going to. Pretty easy, right? The last type of sentences is question form. Let's learn how to make questions using the future be going to. Now, whose answer is yes I am, no I'm not? Great. It could be either are you going to play tomorrow or am I going to play tomorrow? So, what did we do? Yes, we start with the be verb, which could be am or are, then the suitable pronoun, which could be I or you. After that, going to, the verb, and the question mark. Now, whose answer is yes, she is, no, she's not? Great! Is she going to play tomorrow? Again, we start with the be verb is, then you could use any of the following pronouns he, she, or it. After that, going to, the verb, and the question mark. Now, whose answer is yes, they are, no, they're not? Great! Are they going to play tomorrow? So again, we start with the be verb are, and then you could use any of the following pronouns you, we, they. After that, going to, the verb, and the question mark. Open your workbook page 8, exercise 2. In this exercise, you are going to look at the pictures, write sentences with the correct form of the future be going to, as in the example. Now, let's take a look at the example. Number 1. Hanan take part in a writing competition at the weekend. Notice you can replace the noun Hanan with the pronoun she. The sentence becomes, Hanan is going to take part in a writing competition at the weekend. It's your turn now. Take your time and do the rest. Back again. Let's check your answers. Number 2. Jasmine and Anne take part in a cooking competition on Saturday. Again, you can replace Jasmine and Anne with the pronoun they. The sentence becomes, Jasmine and Anne are going to take part in a cooking competition on Saturday. Number 3. Great! Gary is going to learn about the planets at the planetarium on Thursday. Number 4. Very good. Amani and Latifa are going to go on a school trip to the zoo next Tuesday. You did a great job. Assessment time. Do as shown. Let's do the first one together. Number 1. We go to school tomorrow. Correct. Great. We are going to go to school tomorrow. It's your turn now. Pause and do the rest. Back again. Let's check your answers. Number 2. Ali is going to take part in the school competition. Use not. Very good. Ali is not going to take part in the school competition. Number 3. They are going to play basketball next Friday. Ask a question. Are they going to play basketball next Friday? You guys are amazing. You were amazing today. Goodbye.